Who is your slow season, shoulder season avatar? So here's a question for you. For those of you that have been doing this for more than one season, for those who have been doing it for more than 1 year, do you have a guest profile? Do you have a typical guest that books with you in the slow season? So this is really key. And if you don't know who, and when I say avatar, when I say customer avatar, that's just fancy market talk for your guest profile. So again, and this is key, and I've spoken about this so many times, and other fantastic people have spoken about this so many times, is you've got to have a niche. You've got to have an avatar. You've got to have a guest profile, because if you try and appeal to everybody, you appeal to nobody. And particularly now when Airbnb or short-term rental or hospitality, whatever you want to call it, is becoming more and more popular, more and more people are getting into it, you've got to have a set guest in mind. And particularly when it comes to the slow season, and there's going to be more availability popping up, that's going to mean that there are more people to choose from. If you can speak directly to your ideal guest, then you're more likely to get the booking. Again, you've only got a limited supply. You're not Amazon. You've only got a limited supply of properties to sell or rooms to sell. So don't try and appeal to everybody. Focus on your niche, your avatar, guest profile, whatever you want to call it.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.